Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording admin. So I just recorded, I'm an early bird. So I'm just about to record, I literally just recorded like a half an hour video of me waiting for early bird. And finally, it's 5:28 and Sammy's here for early bird. Oh, that's one of my outs.
Lucky block.
I don't think it's gonna.
Lucky block.
Oh, fuse lock? What? Valentine's lucky block.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Also, in that video, I opened a cursed Valentine's lucky block, and this is what I got. I got a little sorry. Lucky block, secret lucky block, and a Valentine lucky block. Oh my god, bro. That's really sorry. By the way, what? What Sam?
Lucky block.
What's Sam?
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block.
Alright, let's see. One brain rot from runway, one from roast taco lucky blocks, two from heart lucky block. Oh, wait. I don't remember what he said. Oops. I don't know. Why? Love sahur. Love sahur. Oh, din. Okay, that's a bit. Welcome back to Love Sahur. Two loves. Yes, that's exactly what I need for Fuse, bro. I hope he skips Fuse. Actually, no, he's not going to right now, but he probably will. And why not? Should I skip it? How much is it? 200? Why not? Actually, no. Not the best views ever, so alright, I'll open this during anime videos. This might all need something. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Peace out.